Republic of the Philippines, Negros Oriental State University, RA 9299, College College of Criminal Justice Education, Department of Criminology, Gihulngan City, Negros Oriental, 6214 Philippines. Vision Statement, a globally recognized state university. Mission Statement, Negros Oriental State University delivers global excellence through advanced instruction, impactful research, and sustainable extension and strategic partnership and modern infrastructures, shaping effective leaders to serve the Philippine society and the world. Quality policy. Negros Oriental State University commit itself to delivering quality instruction, research, extension, and production. We ensure compliance with all statutory and regulatory requirements and continuously work to improve our management system to meet our quality objectives. Core values. Shine. S stands for spirituality. H stands for honesty. I stands for innovation. N stands for nurturance. E stands for excellence. Strategic goals. Negros Oriental State University will achieve global recognition by programs, excellence, student research through impactful innovation, promote enhanced community extension services, integrate partnership and international relations, revitalize infrastructure with operational system, enrich student life and leadership opportunities. Criminology education, vision, mission. Criminology vision, mission, and objectives. Vision. The College of Criminal Justice Education is actively and continually involved in turning out graduates who will lead the nation in addressing the vital problems of crime control and in meeting the demands of global competitiveness. Mission. The College of Criminal Justice Education program commits itself in providing the community with professionally competent and morally upright graduates who can deliver efficient, effective service in the field of criminology. Objectives. In pursuant to above stated mission, the Department of Criminology integrates and sequences courses of study, which are well planned. These courses of study utilize didactic instruction, demonstration, discussion, laboratory practice, simulation, individual learning, and on-job training. The following are the specific objectives of the department. It's seek to provide, number one, it's seek to provide vast opportunities in instruction with and guided experience whereby the student learn the basic knowledge and acquire the skills essentials in the field, in the practice of criminology. Number two, it provide the students with a broad cultural backgrounds and understanding of the constitutional guarantees and due process requirements of law, insofar as they affect the total administration of justice. Number three, it fosters higher concepts of citizenry accountability and leadership, and understanding of one's moral and legal responsibility of his fellow men, his community, and his country. Number 4, in it inspire and instill in the students the value of service to humanity. Number 5, it encourage research and ensuring inquiry in the field of criminology and criminal justice. So, criminology as a special course. A criminologist is any person who is a graduate with a degree of criminology who passed the board examination for criminologists and is registered as such by the Board of Examination of the Professional Regulation Commission pursuant to RA 6506 Section 23 define the term criminology as one who has been engaged in the practice of criminology in if he holds himself out of this public in any of the capacities as a profession, instructor, or teacher in criminology in any any university, college, or school duly recognized by the government. Pursuant to RA 6506 Section 24, all certified criminologists shall be exempt from any entrance or qualifying government examination and shall be considered civil service eligible for the following position: A. Fingerprints technician. B. Firearm examiner. C. Question document examiner. D. Correctional officer. A. Probation officer. F. Crime laboratory technician. G. Law enforcement photography. H. Lie detector examiner. I. Agent in any law enforcement agency. G. Security officer. K. Criminal investigator. Under the Civil Service Commission, Resolution No. 983/3022, criminologists eligibility would apply for appointment from the PO rank of the PNCO rank of the PO1 up to the Police Commission and Officer PCO with the rank of the rank of the rank of public superintendent. Republic Act 6974 6975 Section 36 provides the licensed criminologist may be appointed to the intended rank of police inspector of there are vacancies. 11 general orders to take. Number 1, to take charge of this post and all companies property in view and protect and preserve the name with utmost diligence. Number 2, to walk during tour of duty in military manner, keeping always in the alert and observing everything that takes place within sight or hearing. Number 3, to report all violation of order I am instructed to enforce. Number 4, to report all calls from posts more distance from the guardhouse where I am stationed. Number 5, to quiet my post only where properly relied. Number 6, to research, obey and pass out to the relieving guard all order from company officers or official superior post in charge of shift leader. Number 7, to talk to no one excuse. To talk to no one except in the line of duty. Number 8, to sound or calls the alarm in case of the fire or disorder. Number 9,